So, today we shall learn the longitudes. The lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole are called the lines of longitude. Longitude is also called meridian, which means midday. It is so called because all places on any line of meridian have their noon at the same time. Thus, a meridian can also be defined as a line joining places which have their noon at the same time. The meridian which passes through Greenwich near London, Old British Royal Observatory, is taken as the starting point. Its meridian is measured 0 degree and is known as prime meridian. Thus, the longitude of a place is the angular distance of that place east or west of the prime meridian. Like latitude, longitude is also measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. All the meridians are equal in length. The meridians are numbered 0 degree to 108 degree east, 0 degree to 108 degree west. The longitude line 108 degree east and 108 degree west converges into one line opposite to the prime meridian is the 108 degree east and W west longitude. So, it forms into one great circle and divides the earth into two hemispheres, western and eastern. The maximum distance between any two meridians at the equator is about 111 kilometers per degree. 180 degrees to the east and 180 degrees to the west. So, the distance is 111 kilometers. The lines of longitude and latitude form a network on the globe. They intersect each other at 8 angles, forming a grid. At a right angle, forming a grid. Using the grid, we can locate any place on Earth by referring to the point where latitudes and longitudes intersect. The parallels help us to locate a place north or south of the equator, while the meridians do not same east or west of the prime meridian. The point of intersection of these lines give us to the precise location of a place. For example, Haridwar in Uttarakhand lies at the point of intersection of 30 degree north latitude, 78 degree east longitude. Longitudes help in measuring time all over the world. The earth rotates on its own axis from west to east direction and takes 24 hours to complete one round. Hence, earth takes 4 minutes to cross 1 degree longitude and 30 minutes to cross. Then 7.5 degree longitude and 60 minutes or 1 hour to cross 15 degree longitude from 0 degree to 180 degree. A total of 12 hours because 1800 into 4 minutes is equal to 720 minutes or 12 hours. Since the earth is round and rotating on its axis, some places will see the sun and others will remain in darkness. Thus, days and nights are caused. However, sun cannot rise in the whole world at the same time. As such, for each degree of longitude, local time varies by 4 minutes. The local time of a place is determined by the shadow cast by the sun during days. Then comes the places east of prime meridian will be ahead of Greenwich time. For example, if it is midday at Greenwich, places like India will be having evening and west of place would be early morning as it is behind the scheduled time. standard time. We do not follow local time in India because it would be inconvenient while traveling from east to west or west to east directions. Imagine you are going from Dispur in Assam to Ahmedabad in Gujarat, crossing several longitudes and adjusting your watch according to local time of each place. All the places on different meridian would have different local time. To avoid this confusion of local time, standard time has been adopted. It is fixed according to the location of central most longitude of country. In India, 82 half degree east longitude near Allahabad, the central place is selected as standard meridian time. We should know that each standard meridian is fixed with reference to Greenwich meridian. It is called Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. Indian standard meridian is 82 half degree east. It is 5 half hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. 0 degree prime meridian passes over Greenwich village near London. Suppose it is 9:30 a.m. in London, it will be 3 p.m. in India. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for India. It is known as Indian Standard Time. So that the time. So these longitudes or the lines of longitude that tell about the different times. In order to know the time of the places, that longitude helps, because everywhere the sun doesn't rise at the same time. In some places, so there are different times for the sunrise. Now it is evening, but now this is the time of morning for some places. And now it is evening in India, but in some places it is midnight. Like this. So all the times are not the same. So according to our Indian Standard Time, we do our work, and every country has their own timetable also. These are most important things. Then this lesson is over, and then we shall go to the other lessons or do the exercises. The motions of the earth. That very interesting lesson. We shall learn that next time. Motions of the earth. Thank you. I read the lessons again and again.